Hi mathematicians, today we are going to review the words less and more. Remember, less means a little and more means a lot. Just like when you eat cookies, you want more cookies, you want a lot of cookies. And if you have to eat spinach, you're going to be like, oh, I need a little less than that on my plate because I'm not real happy with all that spinach. So you have less and more. So I'm going to show you some dominoes and then we're going to decide, is it less or more? So we have this domino. So let's count how many dots are on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did that have? 9. Great. Now let's look at this number. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 9 and 10. So which number is more? Which number is the biggest number? Is the number 9 or number 10 have more or the most dots? That's right. 10 is more than the number 9. Or we can say 9 is less than 10. Great job. Let's see if we can do another one. We have 2 blue dominoes. Does that mean they're the same? No, ma'am. We have to count them. We can't just guess. Guessing gets us in trouble. So let's count this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do you see here? That's right. You have 3 and 3. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we now have the number 7 and 6. Which number is less? Which number is the smallest? Is it the number 7 or is it the number 6? That's right. 6 is less than 7. We know that 6 is a smaller number than the number 7. So if 6 is less, what will 7 go with? That's right, there's more. So let's say this together. We know that 6 is less than 7, and we can also that 7 is more than 6. Great job. Let's do another one. Let's see if I can trick you. Okay, how many dots do you see? That's right, there's 0. Let's turn it over and make sure. Yep. So we have the number 0. Well, we already know that 0 is the smallest number that we have that you can see right now. So is 0 less than this number or is it more than? So how many dots do you see here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the number 4. So does 4 go under less? No. 4 is more than 0 and 0 is less than 4. Good job. Okay, so now I've changed out our cards. Let's talk about the words same or the words equal to. If it's the same, it means it has the same number of objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 gumballs in this gum machine. Let's see how many's down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and 8 are the same, or we can say 8 and 8 are equal to. Let's look at these set of dominoes. How many dots do you see on the black domino? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have? 4. Look at the red one. How many do you see? That's right, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that 4 and 4 are the same, or we can say 4 is equal to 4, but they're in a different arrangement. Does that matter? No. It doesn't matter if there's 1 on top and 3 on the bottom, or 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. They are the same number. Let's do one more. So how many dots do you see on the orange domino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. How many do you see over here? Well, we know this is a group of 6, so let's count 7, 8. So this domino has the number 8, and the blue domino also has the number 8. So what do we say? We know that 8 is the same as 8, or we can say 8 is equal to 8. Good job.
All right, mathematicians, for our math journal today, we have a word problem about butterflies. So let's read. There are 5 butterflies flying around the flower. Draw them. One of the butterflies flew away, so cross it out. How many butterflies are left? So let's go back to the first sentence and see what it needs us to do. There are 5 butterflies flying around the flower. Draw them. So I'm going to draw 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the butterflies flew away, so cross it out. So I'm just going to put an X on it. How many butterflies are left? So one flew away, so our total number of butterflies got smaller. So this problem is a subtraction problem. So I started with 5 as my whole. 1 flew away, so I'm going to subtract 1. And I have 4 remaining, or 4 left over. So how many butterflies are left? 4 butterflies are left. So we know that 5 minus 1 equals 4. Great job, boys and girls.
All right, friends, we are ready to work on some number bonds and some 10 frames. Here is the 5 group. Here is 8, the 5 group way. They have already set it up for us. We have 8 here. This is a group of 5. And then we have the rest on the bottom, which are 3. That gives us 8. And look, they've already filled out our number bond showing our whole of 8. And even in our number sentence, we start out with 8. Now it's asking us to put an X on 2 cubes. So we're going to put an X on 2 cubes. How many are left? Fill in the number sentence and number bond. So we X 2 cubes. Let's count how many are left. The ones left do not have an X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many are left? 6. So since we have 6 left, we're going to put that number here. But Miss Scott forgot to do something. How many were taken away? Subtracted. We know this is a minus symbol. We're taking away. 2 were taken away. So we always have to make sure we write that down. 2 were taken away. Now, let's fill out our number bond. 2, and we're using it from our number sentence. And 6 give us 8. Let's try another one. Here is 8, the 5 group way. Again, we have a group of 5 here, and we have the remainder 3 here. Put an X on 4 cubes. So how many cubes? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I X'd 4. How many are left? Let's count the ones that do not have an X. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 left. How many did we have in whole? 8. Before X's were put through them. Now we have this symbol. What is this symbol? Minus. This means take away. So how many did we take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 4 goes here. 8 take away 4 now equals, that's how many we have left. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 that are left. So our numbers here, we write 4 and 4 can make 8. Let's look at our last one. Draw 8 the 5 group way. Put an X on some cubes. How many are left? Write the number sentence and the number bond. If you notice, we have to draw the cubes. So they've shown us a group of 5. So let's draw a group of 5. I'm going to do 8. So this is one group of 5. And again, you do not have to do this with me. You're looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have one group of 5. I need 8. So I'm going to do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Now, put an X on some cubes. Some. That means not, it has to be more than one. So I'm going to do some cubes. 1, 2, and 3. I asked how many cubes? 3. How many cubes did we have all together in our whole? There were 8. And here's our symbol. We are subtracting. We're taking away. How many did I take away? We took away 1, 2, 3. So 3 is how many we place here. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 shows how many are left. So when we fill our number bond, we take 3 and 5, make 8.